everyone, in this video I am going to show you that how to fix it seems that another app is blocking access to the Google Play, and you will find the step of the problem while installing any app in your Android or iPhone. Let me guide how to fix this problem. So our first method is that you have to just uninstall update of the Google Play. Google Play Store is a system app on your Android device. So what you can do is uninstall previous update to the app, and this might help your problem. To fix this, you have to just open your mobile settings, and now you have to just search for the apps management or the app and notification. You have to just tap on it, and after this you have to just click on the app settings, and now search here the Google Play Store. After searching, you have to just open the Google Play Store. After this, you have to just click on the three dots at the very top right corner, and then click on the uninstall updates, and then press OK. And now move back, you have to just open the Play Store, and now try to install your app. If this method also not work for you, then you have to just move on the next step. You have to check apps allowed to draw over the screen. The apps are drawing over the screen error usually pops up when there is an app trying to display content over other application on the screen. So check which app has permission to draw over the screen. Open the settings in your Android phone. After this, you have to just click on the apps and the notification or the apps management, and now you have to just click on the special app access, and now you have to look for the display over the apps or appear on the top. Check for the apps which are allowed. You have to just turn these permissions off for all the apps that are allowed. After this, you have to just restart your device, and after restarting your device, you can easily overcome this problem, and now you can install any of the app without this problem. I hope this video will be helpful for you, so give this video a like and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. If you have any question, you can leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.